Hi everyone, so I decided to record a video instead of writing. So, I will start from SP500. We can see that it has a really good dynamic. On daily time frame, it looks like, let's say, a bullish flag, something like this, right? And now it needs to break out. So I still expect to see these targets. And yesterday on lower time frame, I was expecting the price to come a bit lower towards to 6,021, 6,016 levels. Since here we have a resistance zone, now it stands as a support. And what we got a bounce already from this 100 EMA on a 4-hour time frame. And here we can see that the price is still consolidating above this 20 EMA on a daily time frame. So today it is very important to see a breakout above this previous high. So it's about above $6,100. In this case, the price will go to these levels and higher. Of course, since we had this chop zone, it was also very hard for us to trade altcoins and crypto in general because market was chopping pretty much, but in my opinion that it's just left a little bit, and we will be back into the easy mode zone. So I'm still remaining bullish on SP500, and also we have today this news coming out, FOMC. So I think this is when the market will finally show its strength and will show clear direction. So if you're afraid to take any positions right now, then wait for this news, and after you can look, you can see like what its market is doing. If it will manage to break above this level and go higher, then but it will mean that upcoming days and until the end of this month we will have this Santa rally that I was talking about these days. And of course, let me check the worst scenario. The price comes here, does a fake breakout, and we can see here like bearish candle, like this sold out. In this case, the price will go lower and lower, and yeah, in this case, the scenario will be completely different. But if we go also to weeks finally came to this zone, resistance zone on 4-hour. It has 200 EMA, and last time whenever it was touching 200 EMA it was rejecting and was showing us this kind of move down. And if we go to daily time frame, we can see that it rejected also from this 50 EMA, and right now, like, perfect scenario for me is if we see the close below this let's say below 1469. It has also a gap here. You can see that how price just jumped, right? And we have some FAGs. So for me it would be perfect to see today or tomorrow if wicks will break below this 14 level. In this case it may go even more lower towards to these levels. And as I was telling you before, if VIX goes down, SP500 goes up, it means the rest of the market should follow. Just with crypto, it's always with some delays. Like in general, like trading crypto is always risky, and it's a very volatile asset, right? So that's why if you take leverage trades, I always say like calculate your losses. Doesn't matter what kind of size you have, what kind of how many positions you have. The most important thing is just calculate your losses. Even if you take 10 trades, just calculate. Look, what if everything will go the different direction? Even if you're having all shorts and all of a sudden everything pumps, like you should know like how much you're gonna lose. Okay, so let me go to crypto. Let's go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin still above my entry yesterday on a lower time frame. I was telling you that it is important to hold this green box, but at in the morning when I was sleeping, the price rejected from these EMAs and went down. Yeah, and that's why most altcoins they also declined in the price. And currently, what do we have? We can see that the price went down, right? Rejected from this green box, and now either it will go here and then up, either we will see now. Sorry, what did I do? I think I deleted everything. Okay, so 1 hour, let's go back. Yeah, so currently on 1 hour, let me check what can happen. So if we put FIPS, okay, so the price may come here and then from here bounce. So let's say the price may come back to 103,647, 945. So on 1 hour it should not lose these two levels. Okay, if it does, then in this case most probably the price will decline and show like break down below this green box that we have. And also we have on this chart we have this gap that was almost filled. See, it came to this also FEG level on 4 hour and bounced. So far, if we're talking like if I'm looking even on RSI, it doesn't look that bad. Like yeah, we had some manipulations, so we had some small corrections, but still like 6 hour we can see like nice bounce, still holding this EMAs. RSI looks fine. I still expect that it may go higher. 12 hours for me is 50-50 probably. Next several hours it will just chop here. As I said, it may come to 103,600 and then show the move like this. And daily so far really nice bounce from this FEG level. Of course it can go lower to this levels, but if we go to 3D time frame, you can see that we have here also FEG level, right? And just you should understand, like on 3D, a candle will close in 1 hour, in 1 day and 11 hours. If we will see now that daily close will be below 100, below this FEG level or 102K, let's say, it will mean a completely different scenario. It will mean that the price will drop towards to these levels, $89,000 and 15%, which means in this case all altcoins they will drop even more. It means that they will drop probably, let me just open any. It will mean that probably this Pepe will drop 30%. I don't know, ADA. Yeah, 20 to 30%. Okay, so just pay attention on every level. It is very important. And 2 weekly, so far it is holding. Like the most critical level right now is 102k. If we have a daily close below, that's all. We will not have any Christmas rally. It will just completely change the whole future play out in a crypto, in Bitcoin. Imagine if we will close now below this. Let me go from daily. Imagine we're closing below this. Yeah, it means we will drop immediately towards to this level, 93. If we go to 93 on 3D, yeah, and 3D close in 1 day. So then we have weekly time frame. Weekly time frame close in 4 days. If we come here, okay, during this week, in this case, we will not go to these targets now or even next month. In this case, most probably I will come back to 104k, to this area, reject, and next month I will go towards to 80k. Okay, monthly, just a second, I want to check high time frame. Yeah, in this case, like New Year's open will be in 80k. Yeah, 80k. I just want to check some random charts. Makes sense. 80k, probably. Probably, if Bitcoin will drop that much, then probably alts will come to these targets. And this is where we will have like a real bull run. Like this is when the bull run will begin, like real bull run. And yeah, this is still strong. This is still strong. So let's say this close also bullish, then probably it will go next month again towards to these levels, and maybe then reject towards to this level, maybe 65 even, because we have here 20 EMA, sorry, 12 months. Yeah, we have also here huge FAG on 12 months time frame. So yeah, it looks more like it's if we are talking about the worst case scenario, if we will not have any Santa rally, let's say. So USDT dominance for me is still like I'm more bearish on this one so far. Because we had this weekly close. But yeah, we have here this 200 TMA on 2 week. Yeah, and also this 3 monthly candle, it's so like it looks so bearish, because here we're also crossing this middle, and on 6 monthly time frame it still needs to go down. So yeah, I'm more bearish on this one. Like, let me go to 4 hour. 4 hours, so it may still go here somewhere towards to this, back to this Fibonacci levels. Yeah, but 6 hour looks so bearish. Yeah, it is confusing. Like right now we will see how this 1 hour time frame will close, if it will manage to break below, back to this levels like 3.86, let's say, and lower. We have here this FEG, then like all fine. Yeah, but if not, then yeah, it will be bad. But like right now it's either. There's no like middle. There will not be chop anymore. Right now it will either like show real bullish move. The market, I mean, either it is over. Either it means that this December and maybe January we will have just red days. Because just this is small time frame, like daily time frame, can change a lot, completely change the upcoming weeks move scenario. Yeah, GPTC, I'm still bullish on this. Even here we can see like on 3 months on our side already broke above 70, you know, so it needs to go to this high, to this previous high. So I'm still expecting like GPTC to pump, which means if GPTC will pump, means that Bitcoin will also follow. Like I was showing you in Discord how it correlates, right? So I'm still expecting to see it at these levels, even though we have this now choppiness. MicroStrategy is just doing nothing. Yeah, it's just chopping here. Like on low time frame, we can think that, oh, it's going up and down, like it's going down maybe. But actually, if we just make a range, what we can see this chop. Yeah, we had this false breakout, and then we return to this chop, and currently we are here. So you can do like this, or the worst case scenario. It means just sell everything and buy back again. But look, if we go to monthly, we can see that it also bounced from monthly FVG, and so far RSI is also looks strong, even if it shows like here. Yeah, it already played out this bearish divergence. See, it already played out. Right now we should go up. I think we should go up. So crypto, I told you, right? So I think that the price will continue. What should we do right now? We should pray that Bitcoin dominance will go down one day. This is the only thing that kills our altcoins, and currently it looks strong. So yeah, next resistance zone, this area. It means that if hopefully Bitcoin will continue going up today, Bitcoin dominance will go also up with this, with Bitcoin, because people are buying Bitcoin, so more attention now goes to Bitcoin, right? Not to altcoins. And once finally dominance comes here, this is a zone where we should see the decline in dominance, hopefully. Okay, but still, like, it's still holding below this range, below this resistance zone. We will see. If it will break today, it's okay. Just be patient, accumulate your altcoins. If it will start declining, it will be amazing. It means that altcoins will already start pumping. So now all eyes on dominance. And Bitcoin, so far for me, it looks good. As I said, SP500, I'm still bullish. Like, you can say that I have some bias and so on, but I'm just telling you like what I see on the charts. And of course I told you the worst case, so please pay attention right now, if the price will break, like on one, let's go to 1 hour. For example, we have this kind of pump, crazy pump, and then first candle down, second candle down. That's it. It means that we will go again down approximately, if from here, then maybe 1% down. 1% down will mean really bad for crypto. It will mean, let's say, just for example, the price comes here, somewhere here. It will mean that the price will just decline, I don't know, 6%, 10%, which will mean for altcoins, it's equal to, I don't know, 20%, 30%. Yeah, but so far, I don't see anything bad. Yes, some altcoins are really weak, and it is annoying, and I got stopped also many times. But it is what it is about trading alts. You know, you may think that here it is the strongest support, but the price can do this, and boom, that's it. So just please calculate your losses, and I still recommend to just accumulate your spot positions, buy altcoins. I still believe in this seasonality. In like Seasonax, it's a website where I check it. Still believe in seasonality. We can see that January was usually bullish, February was bullish, March was bullish, and then April, May, June is usually bearish months for Bitcoin. And we can see Monday and Wednesday are the most bullish days. It's in December. So today's Wednesday. I will see how it will all play out. And if you wonder like, how should I trade right now? Just open any chart. You can see that most of them are on a daily on 26 EMAs. It's already a good buy zone. You can also check if some altcoins are on FEG levels. For example, I don't know, some charts will look shit. Moment. And so Jasmine, for example, it's holding nice. We can try to long from here. Worst case scenario, we take this FEG zone. Have this FEG zone, and we look for longs here. We have a trick. We put Fibonacci on this FEG, and we put limit orders 1, 2. So at least these 2 limit orders should be taken. Same, you go to other coin, for example, Jito, take and delete. Okay, let me delete this. Currently, it came to also really nice support zone. You can go to weekly time frame. If you don't see, for example, on weekly time frame FVG, go to lower time frame to 3D. 3D is also really good time frame to check always. We can see that the price came to 20 EMA, and already several times it was bouncing, right? And it came also on 3D FHE level. So this level can be interesting to buy a position. Okay, we can go also to lower time frame, to 4-hour time frame, and we can see that. Just example. Okay, the price already almost oversold. It came to previous low, and if we look at the history on the RSI, whenever the price was coming down to 30 level, it was showing us what? Like strong bounce. Here, strong bounce, right? Here. Okay, here it was still not good, but here it showed even bullish divergence several times, and then strong bounce. Here, strong bounce. Okay, just sit, check, and analyze. Try to look for positions on your own. For example, if I'm not at the laptop, if I don't have connection, if I don't have, I don't know, electricity, if I'm sleeping because of the difference in time zone, try to think by yourself. Try to find the strong levels on your own. It's not that hard. You don't need many things. I was already showing you like Fibonacci levels, how to use them. I was already showing you how to work with FVGs and how to work with EMAs, RSI. I was giving you a lot of tricks. So all you need is to also try to think on your own. And if you are afraid, then minimize your risks. Like really, minimize your risks. In this case, you will not be afraid about your position. Okay, so far everything is good. So this is all for now. If you have any questions, I will reply you in chat.